Welcome to Manychat School. I'm Heston, chat marketing strategist and creator of this group here on Skool. And as the name implies, this group is all about Manychat. For those that know what Manychat is, please bear with me as I explain it for those who may not be familiar. You may actually learn a thing or two about it that you didn't know. ManyChat is a popular no-code platform that allows you to create automated messages on Instagram, Facebook Messenger, TikTok, and more. It helps turn casual viewers into followers, subscribers, and/or customers by triggering automated responses to comments, messages, and even certain actions like when someone decides to follow you. Ever seen those posts on Instagram that say something similar to comment X and I'll send you Y? Well, the creators of those posts use ManyChat to start convos, send links, collect email addresses, and so much more, all exclusively done in the DMs and private messages. ManyChat helps creators and business owners like yourself save time, respond faster, and continue to engage 24/7 to accomplish your current goals, all without you being on the phone more than you ever need to be. But maybe, just maybe, you hope to accomplish a combination of two or maybe even all three of these goals. One, to grow your audience, whether that's your followers on Instagram and TikTok, subscribers of your YouTube channel or members, and maybe, just maybe, even your members right here on Skool. Two, to increase your sales. Of course, you want to make as much money online as possible by selling your products and or services directly to customers, new and returning, or increasing your subscribers who pay monthly or annually. And last but not least, three, to improve engagement. On all social media platforms, your content is seen by more people when you get more likes, shares, saves, and comments. So let's motivate your audience to engage more with your content. And I'm here to tell you not only is it possible with ManyChat, when you set up automated messages, you'll save tons of time while growing, selling, and engaging without being on a computer or phone all day. No more hoping users visit your link in bio. No more replying to the same questions day after day. Imagine automatically sending a link via DM for people to join your school group to each new Instagram follower you get. Or growing your mailing list exclusively in the DMs when followers comment a special keyword on your post. No landing page necessary. And the incredible feature of starting automated DM convos when a QR code is scanned from a YouTube video, a PowerPoint slide, business cards, and more. See, my goal here is to help you do all this and more. I want to show you how to accomplish one, two, or all three of these goals by working smarter, not harder with DM automation. And that is where my group ManyChat School comes in. 90% of ManyChat users don't know its full potential, but that won't be you. As a member, you will get access to a full course that teaches you ManyChat inside and out, the platform, basic to advanced features, and proven chat marketing strategies. You'll also be able to get support, share wins, provide answers, and more in a very fun and active community of fellow ManyChat users who are newbies and professionals. And some of those pros you'll find featured in live video chats and masterclasses, sharing their expertise on social media, marketing, graphic design, and more, along with regularly scheduled live video hangouts and Q&A sessions. And of course, everyone's favorite happens to be the exclusive resources from SOPs to my customized ManyChat templates you can install and have running fast and easily in minutes. ManyChat School is just what you need if your goal is to grow on Skool, Instagram, YouTube, and more, all while making money and saving you time to do what you want. Are you ready to turn conversations into conversions? Excited to create your own chatbot to help you grow, sell, and engage more on one or maybe multiple platforms? Listen, if you need more convincing, please check out the details I share on this About page, including the bonus that I mentioned on the second to last line. Make sure you don't miss it. But if you're ready to go now, tap that join button and I'll see you inside.